Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Lieutenant. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power outlet, automatic headlights, driver vanity mirror, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, satellite radio, intermittent wipers, and AC. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.